Take a look at this gorgeous 1965 Chevrolet Malibu. Wow is all you need to say on this one. This car is painted in Evening Orchid. Evening Orchid was a 1965 only color. Now, this car was not born Evening Orchid. It has been changed to this color, but this car absolutely turns heads everywhere it goes. If you look down the body here, you'll see how nice and straight. And check the reflections there. You can see the paint's in excellent shape on this car. This car was originally a Tahitian turquoise car with turquoise interior, but the previous owner decided during the restoration to go ahead and change it to the Evening Orchid with the black vinyl top. Just a great combination on this car. Take a look down this side. Now you'll see there might be a couple of SS badges on the car. That is not a true SS, but the badge always looks nice. It's got 5-spoke American Racing wheels on it. Now as we're walking around the car, I'm just going to go off a list here. The previous owner gave us, this is their information, stating that in the last 4 years, these items were replaced. The following items: tires, wheels, tachometer, rear end gears, new valve covers and chrome pieces, new headers, steering wheel, ignition switch, wiper switch, LED interior lights, headlights, new radiator, and ignition coil and wires. All of those things, previous owner states, were replaced in the last 4 years. Now let's take a look inside, where again you'll see the quality of the restoration on this car is very, very nice. Attention to detail is paid down every corner. Nice plush bucket seats. The interior is nice, no weird smells or anything like that, no odors, no storage smells or anything like that. See, the headliner's in good shape there. There's the new steering wheel they were speaking of. So the odometer reads 84,900. And if you look closely, you can even see the clock is running. So that's kind of nice to have. Aftermarket AM/FM cassette player in the dash. Aftermarket gauges there. The big round one there is a digital tachometer. And in the trunk is a remote CD changer, but I noticed in the notes the previous owner has it installed, but it is not wired. So the changer is back there, but it's not wired to work currently. All right, I'm going to open the hood and we'll get this fired up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's that tachometer powering up, you can see. Oops, got to give her a little more gas. There we go. There you can see the tachometer is working and registered. Let's go take a look here. So under the hood is a 327. And there you can see some of the other things that we were talking about. There's the aluminum radiator, the headers that were put on. As you can see also, this car does have power brakes, power disc brakes I might add in the front, power steering, 12-volt posi rear end. It's got 355 rear end gears in the car. Transmission is a turbo 350, so a 3-speed automatic transmission with a 2400 stall converter in it. So this thing is ready for the road. No two ways about it. We'll go take a listen back here. see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trade-ins are considered, financing is available, and extended warranties are also available to help protect your purchase.